Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Nissan Juke. First, make sure your Juke's ignition is on and the vehicle is safely in park. Next, locate and select the settings icon on your infotainment display. From there, you'll want to find and tap on the Bluetooth option. This will prepare your car for pairing with your mobile device, making the connection process smooth and straightforward. Now, on your Juke screen, select Add New Device to initiate the pairing process. Simultaneously, open your phone settings, enable Bluetooth, and search for nearby devices. When your Nissan Juke appears in the list on your phone, tap on it. You'll then see a PIN displayed on both screens. Confirm that these numbers match to securely connect your phone. If you encounter any issues during pairing, a simple restart of both your phone and the Juke's infotainment system often resolves the problem. It's also a good idea to delete any old or unused Bluetooth profiles from your Juke's memory. For a reliable wired connection, or if you prefer charging, connect your phone using a high-quality USB cable to the appropriate port in your vehicle. Once connected, explore your Juke's advanced features, like voice commands, for hands-free calling and media control, enhancing your driving experience. Always keep your phone's operating system updated to ensure the best compatibility with your vehicle's system. For more great deals, and to check out the Oala water bottle, which helps you stay hydrated on the go, please look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.